What's up, everybody? It's Big Ralph TV, and I'm back with another tech video. All right, now I wanted to make a quick video to show you my latest arrivals here. And I know everybody else has dropped their videos and everything today, but mine just got here maybe about an hour and a half ago. It's a little late here where I am in Texas, but UPS was running a little late today. But here we are. This is the Google Pixel tablet, the new Pixel tablet, and I got it with the dark color here. What is this? I forget the color. I forget the colorway, but I believe this is the green one, the darker green one, because it has the black borders there. But as you can see, tablet, and then on the side there it has the, you know, what comes in the box, and that's the tablet in the speaker dock there. And then you can see on the side how it's gonna look. All right, nothing on the bottom there. And also I got this case. Take it out the plastic. This case with it. Okay, so this is the Pixel tablet case and has the ring so you can stand everything up. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Quick unboxing of everything. My first impressions, I haven't taken it out the tape or cut anything, so let's see, man. My first impressions. Team Pixel, I'm back. All right. And then there's one on the bottom. Easy access to get into them. All right, and it just slides out. Let me put that down. All right, trying to be very careful here. All right, nothing underneath the box there. And then first things first, this is your tablet on top. So, ooh, feels pretty good. Nice and small, actually. Nice and small. Let's go ahead and put that to the side for right now. And then underneath, you have what I'm assuming to be your usual books and things. Let's take this out. Yep. This is how to get started, how you set everything up there. And then here, just safety warnings and everything like that. All right, so I'll put that back in there. Crazy. These companies always send these things out to us and nobody ever reads it. Anyway, next thing here, you see the charging cable and charging brick. Boom, comes with it in the box. You don't have to buy anything separately. In the box, boom. And then that's the end that goes into the dock. And speaking of the dock, here it is. All right, that's actually a lot smaller than I thought it would be. So let me go ahead and open it. And here's the speaker dock. This is the back. Get the paper out my hand. There's nothing else in the box, so that's the end of that. Put that to the side. This is the back of the dock. You see your Google branding there. And here is the port for where you're gonna plug in. This is the bottom here. There's a Google branding there. Yep. And I'm assuming this is a reset button there. And then this is the front. You see your pins for the magnetic part. All right, where you're gonna sit the tablet on the dock. All right, I'll put that to the side for now. And let's bring in what we're here for. The Google Pixel tablet. All right. Boom. Here we are. The Google Pixel tablet. Not bad. Not bad at all. I recently had an iPad Air 2, but my daughter was looking to buy an iPad. So instead of her saving up $500-600, I let her buy my iPad off of me. She saved up enough. Instead of selling mine to somebody on Swappa, I was like, just give me the money and you can have mine, and saved her a little bit of money. And I got this. So there's that. Let me go ahead and see if I got any juice. There is a, looks like microphone here, microphone there, and then speaker, USB-C port. So you can plug in a regular USB-C port there and it will charge it. And then more speakers and microphones there. And then here you have your, this looks like a volume rocker. Yep, your volume rocker there. And this is your power button and fingerprint scanner. So let's go ahead. There's a camera there on the front. Let's go ahead and turn that on. Let's see if we got any power here. Nothing. Hopefully we're not dead. Maybe I didn't hold it long enough. There we go. Got a little juice there. I don't know if I mentioned on the back, you have your camera there. All right, Google logo. And here we are starting up. Let's see. Yeah. I like it. It feels nice in the hand. Feels very nice in hand as it loads up. It's not too heavy. It actually feels like it's the same size as my iPad Air. The bezels aren't as big as I thought they were going to be. Like, I don't know why I thought the bezels were going to be a lot bigger, but they're not as big as I thought. So let me go ahead and set this up and I'll be right back with you all. So I got it all set up now, for the most part at least. Here is some of the display. All right, now I got my fingerprint set up. Oh, there's an update. There's an update, if you all can see that. It says install update to keep device secure. System is 0 days out of date. Downloading updates, blah, blah, blah. Update size 201 megabytes. All right, so let me go ahead and install that. Oh, I guess I don't have enough power. We'll get to that. I'll download the update later. It should be 63% right there. All right, so it's showing us swipes and gestures, how to move everything. All right, swipe to go home, and then to go back. Oh, hold on. I've been doing this for years. You would think I would know how to do it. All right, there we go. Trying to hold it and do it at the same time. And you bring it up, switch apps. Now we're done. Okay, all set. And now swipe up to go home. And there you are. Here we are. Home screen on the Pixel tablet. All right. Looks pretty nice, man. And then automatically, if I were to switch it to the portrait mode, it goes right into that. And then into landscape. Very nice, man. Let's see if I can hold it one-handed. Boom. There's all my apps. I was a big fan of the Pixel 7 back in the day. This is a little bit bigger than that, but it feels just as good. It feels like that. Good speed on here. YouTube, I don't need YouTube Kids. Check my email here. Everything comes up good. Switch to that format. Everything looks good. So I'm assuming this is how it's gonna look when I get my Pixel Fold next week. Pull up from here, brings up the bar. All right, let's go back that way. We'll go back landscape, come home. So where was that bar that I was just touching? Oh, I must, there we go. Pull it up there. So first impressions, pretty good, man. It runs pretty smooth. Let me go to a YouTube video or something here. Okay, so we are on my channel now. And everything is pretty good. This is one I just dropped today. So let's see. Speaker quality is fairly good here. I don't have the volume up or anything. Let me turn the volume up. And I'm covering the speaker with my hand here. What's up, everybody? It's Big Rock TV. Not bad. Not a bad sounding speaker. Sneaker video. All right. Probably just enough for what you'll need when you're watching a movie or watching a show. All right. So I do have the dock set up over there on my nightstand. So let me show you how the dock looks and how everything connects to the dock. All right, so here's my nightstand. Here is the dock there, okay? And there is my Pixel Buds, A-series Pixel Buds here. And then this is my my Pixel Buds Pro there, all right? So here's the tablet. There's the tablet there. And let's just connect it. This is going to be the first time I did it, so let's see how this works. And, oh, I got it upside down. See? Fail. All right. Come back over here. And, boom. It's connected. It's connected easily. Continue. All right. All right, so now we have it set up. I had to enter some of my information in there, so I had to remove that. But default music service is going to be YouTube Music. We'll go next on that. Video services, I have pretty much all of those, but I'm going to skip that. Skip that for now. And then let's skip that for now. Hub mode is always set. We've done that. Actually, let me go back. Nope. Now we're set up. So now it's on the dock. All right. And I'm going to turn it off. Boom. And now it should do a screensaver. So it shows the video. I guess everything, since it's still loading, it's still setting up. It hasn't set it up yet, but as you can see, it's charging down there. There it is. There's the screensaver. Shows the weather right there, time, date, and then you see Pixel tablet there. All right. But yeah, man, that's gonna do it for right now. I just wanted to do an initial unboxing. I'll come back, I'll test it out, spend some more time with it, and we'll get back into it, man. I'll give you my official thoughts later in the week here. Turn that off. And then fingerprint. Oh, wrong finger. That's why I set it up with my right hand. Still learning how to use everything. But boom, come over here. It opens right up. Boom. Boom. And we're opening. It opens immediately. But I'm going to still mess around with it. I'm going to check this out, test it out. So far, feels good. My initial impressions are very high. Very high on it. It feels really nice. Oh, I didn't even get into the case. Let me do the case real quick. Go ahead and open this up. Where is, okay, it slides right out. There's no pull tab or anything. almost forgot about the case. All right, there's the case. Put that to the side. A little bit of paper on the inside there. Plastic. Okay. A little protection. And boom. So here's the case. Has a soft touch finish on the inside to protect it. Then you also see the pins there. And then you got your cutouts. Camera cutout. The cutout for your fingerprint scanner, and then the volume area there, microphone cutouts, and then this is your kickstand, and the kickstand goes around the dock. All right, so let's go ahead and throw the case in. Boom. And now we're in here. We're right on in there. All right, now let's see if it cuts right on. Cut right on. Dock, the fingerprint scanner, right on. Touch, open, right on. All right, and then boom. So it looks like you can go all the way back if you wanted to go that way with it, and then very good. Like it's not flimsy. Let me bring this over here, bring this box over here just to show you all. Boom. Stands right up. Stands right up. All right. So the case is nice. Feels good in the hands. Yeah, man. I like that you don't have to take the case off to put it on the dock. You can leave this case on just as it is right now. All right. But that's the initial impressions of this, the unboxing and initial impressions. I'm glad I was able to get it. Came a little late today, but I'm still here, still got it. All right. So thumbs up if you like this video. Subscribe if you have not already. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. I truly appreciate it. More content is on the way, and I'll holler at you all in the next video. Peace.